Modi ji took over in 2014 in the first term. The India's GDP was around $1.99 trillion or $2 trillion. It has reached close to $3 trillion today. Of course, if you see last year's COVID's numbers, you might see that to be around 2.7 trillion. But today, in my opinion, if you take the high frequency data, it should be around $3.2 trillion. So effectively, there has been an addition of at least $1 trillion or 50% since he took over. In terms of the inflation, it used to be 7.7% in the first term when he took over. It went down to 2.6%. Currently, it's hovering around 5%. So there has been a kind of a market improvement in inflation also. Sensex, when he took over, it was around 24,000. In fact, the market started going up before the results were announced, or results were in fact elections happened because of the predictions that he might take over. And even if you take the date on which he took over, probably it was around close to 24,000, which became 39,300 when he got re-elected, and it was 60,000 till yesterday. It had a market capitalization of around $1.4 trillion when Mr. Modi took over in 2014. It became $2.2 trillion when he took over again, re-elected, and now it's close to $3.5 trillion. And so you can see it's almost 2.5 times increase there also, or 250% increase. Registered investors, surprisingly, has gone up even more. When he took over, the registered investors at BSE, or investor accounts at BSE, was 2.55 crores or 25.5 million. Now it has become 8.06 crore or 80.6 million. And when he got re-elected, it became 4.37 crore or 43.7 million people or investor accounts in 2019. So effectively, even there, you have seen steady growth of more than 250% since he took over in the first term itself. The forex reserves went up from $312 billion to 419 or almost that level in second term, start of the second term, and now it has become $640 billion, I think third or fourth largest in the world.